Tesla has finally made it to the Indian markets, and what we are seeing right now that they're going to be launching their Model Y, which is one of the best-selling electric models for Tesla across the globe. And in India, they will be starting with this particular model itself, with the price ranging anywhere between 60 to 68 lakhs. And yes, indeed, it's been a long wait for Tesla to actually enter the Indian markets, and finally this is through. And especially if you look at the range of this particular car, that goes to around 68 lakhs in terms of the rupee, but in terms of the range per kilometer, it's 622 kilometers of a range is what the company is giving in their variant 2, while the variant 1 is of 500 kilometers of range that will be coming up. Yes, in terms of the competition, that is indeed to be intensifying, because Tesla will actually be competing with the higher end prices of the vehicles, case in point being those with respect to BMW, Audi, that we have seen the variants over there. But other than that, in terms of the lower price band cars with respect to Tata Motors, MG as well as Mahindra and Mahindra, not much of a competition kicking in, because if we see the price variance there, then yes, the highest end is coming in for Mahindra and Mahindra close to that 30 odd lakh mark. So because of the import duties that we still have in India, Tesla prices are much higher, but it's also higher with respect to the kind of other countries what this particular Model Y is being offered with, because onto their screen it was what you were seeing that with respect to US, China and some of the other geographies as well, the Tesla's Model Y price in India is actually at the premium end, which is actually higher by $15,000 as well, if we compare the prices of this particular Model Y with some of the other geographies as well. So that's all about Tesla. The first showroom is through in Mumbai in BKC, but more showrooms are likely is what the Tesla team is highlighting, and going across, a new showroom could be there in Delhi as well. So that's all about Tesla, and finally an entry being made into the Indian markets.